hereby claims the allegiance of every Irish man and Irish woman. The Republic guarantees religious and civil liberty, equal rights and equal opportunities for all its citizens.
You do know, children, that the Defence Forces have given a flag to every school in the country, to all the children, 3,200 schools. And they explain to the children what the flag stands for, what it means, how it's to be treated, and all about the proclamation which was read out by Pádraig Pearse in 1916.
The provisional government of the Irish Republic to the people of Ireland. So they're talking to everyone in the country at the time.
So they do a very important job with all the children of the country, all the children, irrespective of who they are or where they're from.